Hey everyone, if you ever wanted to build a classic French racing yacht, you are in for a treat. Because today, we are unboxing the Duick model kit by Artesania Latina. This is 1:28 scale wooden model, and is a fantastic choice for beginner to intermediate builders. Now let's talk about the box for a second. Artesania Latina really nailed the presentation. The front shows off a striking view of the hull, and the back gives you a full shot of the fully rigged model. It's an inspiring preview of what you are about to create. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Everything is well protected in shrink wrap, which keeps the parts safe during shipping. Major thumbs up for that. Most of the wood strips and the dowels are cleanly cut birch, with a small bundle of oak strips for extra detail work. Everything feels solid and ready to use right out of the box. One little feature I love is the dimension tape bundle the strips. It tells you exactly which side is which, so no more digging out the caliper just to double check. It's just a simple thing, but it really speeds up the workflow. As for the fittings, the CNC machined and microcast metal parts are super clean and precise, and they barely need any cleanup. The tiny components come sorted in individual Ziploc bags, which helps keep everything organized and avoids that dreaded moment of losing a tiny piece to the carpet. The rigging thread come in two colors, black and light brown, both cotton and good quality. Now here is something worth noting. This is a single planked hull. Unlike many Artesania Latina kits that use double planking, this one keeps things simple, which is great if you are new to wooden ship models. But the real standout here is the pre-saw sails. The stitching is beautifully done, and the laser marked detailing on the fabric is incredibly sharp and clean. You will also find a photo-etched brass part included in the kit, and they are excellent, super detailed, and on par with those premium upgrade sets you usually have to buy separately for plastic models. The laser-cut plywood sheets are just as clean and precise as you'd expect, and each piece is clearly numbered right on the wood, which makes identifying parts super easy when you are in the middle of the build. Right now, this kit is priced around $200 and Artesania Latina estimated it will take about 250 hours to complete. That might sound like a lot, but for modelers who love the process, it's the kind of a satisfying long-haul project that's worth every minute. When completed, the model measures 55 centimeters long, 77 centimeters tall, and 10 centimeters wide. A beautiful size that will look great on a shelf or in a display case. Here is something I really appreciate. The plans are full color and printed 1:1 scale, which makes them much easier to reference than the old school black and white sheets. And if you prefer digital, the plans are also available as a downloadable PDF from Artesania Latina's website. Now, instead of a printed instruction booklet, the kit comes with step-by-step video tutorials. All you have to do is scan the QR code on the box or the part list, and you will be taken straight to the full video playlist on YouTube. The guides are very clear and easy to follow. And hey, they say a video is worth 1,000 words, right? And one last tip, if you are aiming for a most accurate representation of the original Duick 1, check out the book Duick by Eric Tabarly, and don't forget to browse Wikimedia Commons, where you will find tons of great reference photos of the real yacht. Alright, that's it for the unboxing. I hope this video was helpful if you are thinking about tackling the Duick by Artesania Latina.
I'll see you in the next video where we'll kick off the build. Thanks for watching and happy building.
Yeah, not bad. Slower.
I'll see you in the next video.
I will see you in the next video where we will kick off the build. Thanks for watching and happy building. Yeah, just relax. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
I'll see you in the next video where we'll kick off the build. Thanks for watching and happy building.
Yay, happy building.